This is the Binefia Portable Oral Irrigator, or is it a water flosser? So in this video, I'm going to do unboxing and let's make a test. Inside the box, you got a water flosser and 4 tips, 1 cable, 1 bag, and 1 instructions. So it comes with a bag. You can put everything inside this bag. This bag looks pretty good quality and waterproof. This is the water flosser, and the reservoir is 300 millimeters, and here comes with the dot anti-slip. It's pretty comfortable to hold it, and this is the on and off. It says hello. All right, 100% power. Good. Oh, it started already. There's no water. All right, and here you can do the charging. The packaging is super clean. Actually, they got 5 tips. So let's take them out. And I like this design because they're just a regular tip, but they got different color. Have a family and they can share this together, but just using different tips. And they can easily to identify whose it is. And if you do kind of a denture or whatever, you can use the special tips. And it comes with the cable, USB to USB-C for charging. So when we twist, it comes out. So it got 2 ways to put water in. The first one is on the top, and you see they got another port here, so you can put this water from here. Very convenient. Now I'm gonna put water inside. All right, it holds a lot of water, and I like this tip. It kind of like just go into lower direction. All right, it's locking in. Just push inside until you hear a clip, and here coming out. So for the demo, I'm gonna use a water bottle to see how strong it is. I'm choosing the normal. Let's go. Alright, you see that I'm holding this on the tip and shooting right into the bottom, pretty strong. And now I want to change another, like, powerful. Okay, let's go. And I say that it's super strong that it's shooting right to the bottom. And now it's pause. Let's see how it works. Good. And this is DIY. I don't know what is DIY. Let's see. Okay, kind of pretty easy going, and gum and soft. So I'm going to try the soft to see how it works. Yeah, I can feel that it's softer, but it's pretty fast. This is a convenient product. It comes with a bag. It fits travel. You go out for a few days, no problem. And I think it fits a family. If you got several family members, you can change the tape using the same one. And I think this is very easy to use. Got several functions. It meets different people. In my opinion, this is a pretty good stuff to have at home or you travel. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.